Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to take the BTS SkyTrain that passes right outside of the condo. I take it all the time. It's a very efficient system, it's air conditioned, it's clean, and it goes right over the traffic. So it's a very efficient way of getting around Bangkok. Every time I take it, I see people standing there at the station scratching their heads, looking as though they need help. So I thought that I would give you some help in advance before you take it. It's good to avoid the BTS during rush hour when all the office workers are trying to get home or go to work. So these are the times. Before you head out, it's good to have downloaded a map of the BTS system and have a plan of where you're going to be going to. The condo is located in between two stations, Krung Thonburi and Sapan Taksin. You'll see that on the Silom line. That's the dark green line in the bottom left of this picture. Krung Thonburi station is on the condo side of the river and is about a 10-minute walk. Sapan Taksin means taking the boat and going to the other side of the river, and then it's a 1-minute walk. Since I like the boat ride every time, I take the Sapan Taksin station. So you take the private condo boat. There's a different video for that. You arrive at Sathorn pier. At the end of the pier here, you turn left. You walk about 50 meters now, and then you turn right where you see the big thick pillar. There you are, turn right, and right ahead of you is the entrance to Sapan Taksin station. You just walk up the steps and you're there. At the top of the stairs, right ahead of you, you'll see the ticket office where you can just go to the window and buy a ticket. The problem is, as you can see here, is there's lots of people with the same idea. So you may be better off, if you have change, and it's worth keeping your change for this, is to buy a ticket from the machine. You look for the station you want to go to, and the number that you see there, you see the 16 and the 44, that's how much you have to pay. Then you get your coins together, you press the button on the amount that you want to pay, and then you put the coins into the slot, and then after you pick up your ticket. Put your ticket into the machine, pick it up, the doors will open and you're through. There's a security check before going up to the platform. In this case he didn't check me because he knows me. You then walk up to the platform. Sapan Taksin is unique because it only has one platform, so trains going in both directions stop at one platform. You have to be careful that you take the train going in the direction you want to go. In all probability, you'll want a train going towards National Stadium. It's going into town. This train is coming from your right. That means it's coming out of town. It's heading for Bang Hwa, and you probably don't want it.
Attention please. The next train is for Bang Hwa. Passengers, please queue up in the purple zone.
If it's coming from your left, it's going into National Stadium, and you probably do want it. Okay, so now we're on the BTS. It's good to keep an eye on your progress, but on the newer trains, right above the doors, they have little lights that flash and tell you exactly where you are. You'll notice that the BTS is very clean, and that's because nobody smokes, eats or drinks. So enjoy your trip and see you in the next video.